Everything you need to know about Extenze. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua. I'm a doctor, and I'm recording this video to tell you everything you need to know about Extenze and if it's worth buying. Every day, I receive men of all ages in search of a solution to their sexual problems such as erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and lack of libido. First of all, you need to know that Extenze comes with a guarantee of 60 days, so even if you buy it and for some reason do not like the product, you can ask for your money back. Extenze is a supplement in capsules that directly treats these problems that directly affect your masculinity and confidence in yourself. These capsules accelerate the transmission of nerve impulses that synthesize the nutrients needed to provide stronger and longer erections. In a few weeks of use, you will notice a significant increase in the size and thickness of your penis. Your sex drive will be the same as when you were 21 years old, and you will enjoy the excitement of having an active sex life. Men around the world have been suffering from lack of confidence because they have sexual impotence and erectile dysfunction that often affects their life with partners, and the relationship does not work well. This is because you can't get erections that last more than 3 minutes, and there is no greater frustration for a man who can't satisfy a woman. You no longer need to live with something that is affecting your male confidence so much. All you need to do is use Extenze. Extenze has been developed to measurably improve your sexual performance. The ingredients directly target nitric oxide levels, which helps to relax the smooth muscle tissue of the cavernous body, the 2 long cylindrical tubes in the penile, and their associated arterioles to increase blood flow to the penis. As a result, you will have an amazing sex life. Your partner will beg to have you every night. You will feel more confident and handsome, and filling a woman with your milk will never be a problem again. You can get hard whenever you want, and it will bring you a happier life. Because it is a natural product, it has no side effects. This product is only sold on the official website of the manufacturer. I put the link from the official website in the description and pinned comment of this video. By clicking on the link, you will be directed to the official website and can place your order. Your order will arrive in a few days. You can rest assured that buying this product on the official website of the manufacturer is very practical and safe. Extenze is shipped in a discreet package, so no one will know that you bought a product to solve your sexual problems. But hurry, thousands from all over the world are discovering that this product is wonderful and are buying 6 units at once. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one.